welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most legendary cars ever built, the 2026 Ford Mustang. This model isn't just about keeping tradition alive. It's about evolving the muscle car into something that feels modern, powerful, and exciting for a whole new generation of drivers. From the very first look, the 2026 Mustang grabs your attention. The design is bold and aggressive, with sharp body lines, a wide stance, and unmistakable Mustang DNA. The front end looks meaner than ever. The LED headlights are sleeker, and the rear keeps that iconic tri-bar lighting that instantly tells you this is a Mustang, day or night. Ford offers a wide range of exterior colors, stripe packages, and wheel designs, letting owners personalize their Mustang exactly the way they want. Under the hood is where the Mustang truly comes alive. Ford gives you multiple engine options to match different driving styles. The EcoBoost model features a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 315 horsepower and strong torque. It's quick, responsive, and surprisingly fuel-efficient for a performance car, making it ideal for daily driving while still delivering that classic Mustang punch when you step on the accelerator. Move up to the GT, and you're in true muscle car territory. The 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 delivers around 480 horsepower, and the sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine. With the available active valve exhaust system, the Mustang lets you control how loud and aggressive it sounds, from calm cruising to full throttle roar. This engine is all about raw power, instant throttle response, and pure driving emotion. For serious performance enthusiasts, the Dark Horse variant takes things even further. It uses a specially tuned V8 pushing close to 500 horsepower, paired with upgraded suspension, larger brakes, and performance-focused aerodynamics. This Mustang is built for drivers who want track-ready capability straight from the factory, without sacrificing street usability inside the cabin. The Mustang blends modern technology with a driver-focused layout. A fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, customizable to show performance data, navigation, or classic gauge designs. Next to it is a large 13.2-inch touchscreen that controls infotainment, drive modes, and vehicle settings. The system feels smooth, intuitive, and surprisingly premium for a muscle car. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. Available heated and ventilated seats, premium materials, and a high-quality sound system make long drives enjoyable. Ford also allows plenty of interior customization, so the cabin can feel sporty, luxurious, or aggressive, depending on the trim and options you choose. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Mustang is far more refined than many expect. Independent rear suspension, selectable drive modes, launch control, and available adaptive dampers help keep the car stable and confident in corners. Whether you're cruising on the highway, attacking twisty roads, or heading to the track, the Mustang feels planted and responsive. Of course, no car is perfect. Rear seat space is limited, especially for adults, and fuel economy on V8 models isn't designed to impress. But that's not why people buy a Mustang. This is a car built to deliver excitement, personality, and a connection between driver and machine. The EcoBoost offers practicality, while the GT and Dark Horse deliver pure passion. Safety and driver assistance features are well integrated too. Modern systems like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and parking aids make the Mustang easier and safer to drive every day without taking away from the fun. In the end, the 2026 Ford Mustang proves why this nameplate continues to dominate its segment. It respects its heritage while embracing modern technology, offering something for everyone, from first-time sports car buyers to hardcore performance enthusiasts. It's loud, fast, stylish, and full of character. If you're considering a Mustang, the real question is simple: which one fits your personality? Let us know your favorite trim in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content.